Now we're going to disassemble the recliner. First, we cut off the power supply and unplug the wires. Take off the remote control. Then hold the top of the back and grab the bottom of the left wing. Slide up to take it off. Come over to the other side and do the same thing, and remove the pillow. Next, we open the flap, unplug the wires, release the tab, grab the back and pull upwards to unlock the clip. Do the same thing for this side, and we can easily remove the backrest. To remove the arms, we need to push the seat, grab the bottom of the arm and pull upwards. Do the same thing for this side.